guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna have a cute picnic day. So we just arrived at the venue and we're about to set up now, and then we're gonna go for a quick swim. I hope you guys still enjoying this vlog. Love you, my sunshines.
I think it's time we confronted the situation in front of us. And I think it's time we talk it out and forget all the fuss. And if it's not,
Can swim. Oh my goodness, my hair. But what can you say? Fun over beauty, right? Love you, sunshines.
wait for me to see. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time won't come till the end. I will always be right by your side. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time won't come till the end. I will always be right by your side. I know you're the one. I know our time will come. I feel it in my heart. I see you in my dreams. I keep you in my prayers.
One eternity later.
Rise and shine, my sunshines. Okay. I know I've been gone for long, but right now I'm getting ready to go to the mall. I'm just going on a cute solo date. I'm just sorry about the lighting. I'm rushing right now. I'm in the bathroom. I'm just gonna get ready. So I just throw a cute box in my bag. I got this bag from legit. So okay, put my gun. For my wallet. So about the picnic, okay, it ended well. It was cute. I couldn't vlog the pool part, but yeah, it was cute. I'm probably gonna miss with this vlog. I'm just gonna go on a cute ice cream date or pizza date, one of the two, because I have to come back home and cook, and I hate cooking when I am full. So I'm just gonna go on a cute brunch. So let's do a surprise for you. Oh, and I also, what else you guys should see? I did my lashes for the first time. Like, guys, don't they eat? Like, here's a quick video. Like, I did my lashes, and what else? I went on a cute, well, grab some snacks on the day we did the lashes with my sister for the cute clip. So yeah, that's the only thing that you guys missed out. Like, I promise, that's the only thing. And yeah, I'm taking you guys with me now on this shopping. I'm just gonna buy a few cleaning essentials as well that my grandma asked me to bring with because I'm going to the mall. I'm going alone. So yeah, I'm taking you guys with. And what else can I update you guys with? Yeah, make sure you watched my previous video, which was the waffle video. I'm just gonna mix so many of those. They're so good. And the baby that I was with, because I had someone DM me asking who's the baby, and thank you for following me on my Instagram, guys. Make sure you're shining with me and both my TikTok, my Instagram, and on this page, okay, and on this channel. So they asked me like who's the baby. So it's my little cousin Amanda, who I was making waffles with. So yeah, bring some bobby pins with me because I was so in on. And I was giving installations. So yeah, if you have a maybe you've done a sewing or have a sewing on, you know what I'm talking about. I have this scent that I got from Signature, which is called Oopsie Daisy, so it just smells nice. And like I said, I am running late. Have a lip balm. I have to buy a tripod. Like this thing of putting my phone on the window is not cute anymore. Okay, it's not cute. Let's have a tripod or a ring light, one of the two. So yeah, and I need it for my next video. The next video after this one will be I have a lip balm. I want to buy some gloss as well. It's gonna be a Q&A, a get to know me tag. So I have that on my on my Instagram. So make sure you guys are following me there. I have it on my stories. I think I'll have it on. I'll have it on. Okay. If like 2 weeks pass, if not 1 week, ask me where is the Q&A because you want me to answer those questions. Okay. Love you guys. Hey guys, I just arrived at the mall, so let's go do a few shopping and start with my solo dates. Okay, I'm playing now. I'm looking for a tripod or a ring light or something. Okay, yeah. This one. This tripod. Yeah. My brownie and my burger. I just took after quite cute and I wanted a band. Oh, this headband is nice, but it's not as thick. I want a headband for my soul, like I said I will. And guys, I'm not happy with the tripod. I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's noisy in there. I'm not happy with the tripod because I cannot stand on its own. It's giving self-esteem and I'm not happy. I might return it. So yeah. Catch you guys later. I'm gonna pay for this. Maybe other essentials. I'll give you a call when I get home. Guys, this mirror right here has been on one of my shoe hauls. I mean not my shoe hauls, on my wish list. But I bought this one. I'll show you when I get home. The mirror of this. I'm get a cute mirror. Yeah, I need a mirror.
Chocolate golden
app. I don't know what to call it, Gemini 3. And the links are finished. So that's what I came here for.
Hey, my sunshines, I'm back now. I just gonna show you a quick haul of I got a lot of stuff. I just went for a quick ice cream date, and yeah, so I'm ending off this vlog here. Like I said, I wanted this mirror that I saw at Mr. Price, and this mirror, I'm just do a cute unboxing for you. And this gloss as well. I told you guys that I need a lippy because I have a lip balm and I usually wear a lip balm at school, but for when I'm going out, I like to have like a glossy lip. Yeah, a nice lip gloss when I'm out and a lip balm at school. Then, oh, so unboxing this. I don't have a treasure. So yeah, for when I'm getting, you see, like I'm investing for our get ready with me's. Yes, the struggle of the tripod. I ended up not getting a tripod. The one he sold me was a selfie stick. Can you imagine? But yeah, maybe like next week I'll get the tripod because I really need to do a Q&A for you guys. Spoiler alert. So yeah, my sunshines, make sure you like, share, subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you next time. Keep shining with me.